Hey guys, welcome to my channel The Chubby Chick. This is Poonam. So today's recipe is very simple. It's called mushroom spaghetti aglio e olio. So without any further ado, let's get cooking. So firstly, we are going to boil some water, and to the boiling water add some salt and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Add the spaghetti pasta of your choice. I have taken multigrain. Stir it well, cook for 8 to 10 minutes until it is 80% done. Then strain the pasta and keep it aside. Now in a separate pan, I have taken about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, adding about 6 to 7 crushed or chopped garlic cloves and saute it until fragrant. So next I'm gonna add some chopped dry red chilies. I do not have chili flakes. If you have that, please go for it. Or you can also crush or blend the dried red chilies in a blender and then add it. Now I'm gonna add some chopped mushroom in here. So I've thoroughly washed them and then I'm gonna season it with some salt and black pepper. Saute this for another 5 to 7 minutes until mushrooms are cooked. Season it with mixed herbs now. I am using oregano. You can use thyme, rosemary, whatever you have. So the mushrooms are done. I'm just gonna add the spaghetti now and toss it with the mushrooms and the herbs nicely for 1 or 2 minutes. And finally sprinkle some Parmesan cheese over it. Mix it for a minute and you're done. And that's it. It was so simple, right? No need to make any sauce, nothing. Super simple. Garnish it with parsley or coriander, whatever is easily accessible. Let me know in the comments below, how do you like this recipe? If you make these, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram, like, share and subscribe to my channel The Chubby Chick. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy.